Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Today, I will be sharing with you 10 apps and games for your smartphone, with which you can make some extra bucks on the side. So let's get right into it. First on the list is Rewarded Play. The app is available on Android, and it offers multiple games to choose from. There are many categories, so it doesn't matter what type of game you are interested in. They will surely have a game you would like. It currently has over 5 million downloads. Whenever you play a game, you will earn points, which you can later redeem in the form of gift cards. They offer gift cards from Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Walmart, etc. So choose your game and get ready to make some money. Next on our list is Cashy. It also has more than 5 million downloads and has a great rating of 4 stars on the Play Store. Cashy also offers a variety of different games with tasks. By tasks, I mean that this app will pay you in points when you download a certain game and complete the given task. Like downloading a game and reaching level 5 on that game. Complete as many tasks as you want and get the points, which you can redeem for gift cards from Amazon, PayPal, Steam, etc. Next on our list is Missed Play. I have explained this app in another video too, but it's still worth mentioning again. This app has more than 10 million downloads as of now, and it has a rating of 3.7 stars on the Play Store. This app offers a huge variety of games to play, so you will never get bored of it. Whenever you play a game, you will be rewarded with units. These units can be later redeemed for gift cards from brands like PlayStation Store, Amazon, Google Play Store, and many more. This app also has different tasks to complete, so that you can increase your earnings and cash out more and more money. Fourth app on our list is Mode Earn, also known as Make Money. This app might be the best on our list. It has more than 10 million downloads as of making this video. It has over 2.6 million reviews, which gives it a 4.1 star rating out of 5. It doesn't only pay you for playing games, it is much more than that. It will pay you for playing music, unlocking your phone, charging your phone, shopping, and even for watching videos. You can't go wrong with it. Whenever you have some free time, you can always use this app to pass your time and still end up earning money. You can cash out in the form of PayPal money, gift cards, and even cryptocurrency, so make sure to make use of this app as soon as possible. The last game on our list is Catch 'em All. Just like Pokemon, you gotta catch 'em all here. This app has a huge player base of more than 10 million. It has a rating of 4.2 stars on the Play Store. This app also pays in coins for playing any game from the huge variety that they offer. It doesn't need any deposits or in-app purchases, and it also has no ads. So there won't be any unnecessary pop-ups, and you can just focus on your game. After collecting some coins, you can redeem them for gift cards. That's all for the gaming section. Now let's move on to the app section. The first app on our list is Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks offer you a plethora of ways to earn money. Here you can earn money while shopping from your favorite sites, signing up on different platforms, completing tasks and offers, or even while playing games. And they have a sign-up bonus too. So start earning some points and cash out whenever you want. Next on our list is Inbox Dollars. This app has over 5 million downloads and a 4-star rating on the Play Store. It has paid over $80 million in cash rewards. Here you can earn money by watching videos and TV, taking surveys online, reading emails, playing games, shopping online, and much more. It has a great Trustpilot score. And it is partnered with some of the most trusted brands like Netflix, Target, Walmart, etc. They also offer a $5 sign-up bonus. Next we have valuedopinions.com. It offers reward points for filling out surveys. It is as simple as it can get. Just sign up, participate, and earn rewards. They will give you up to $7 for each paid survey you complete. It also has a good Trustpilot score. Start filling out these surveys and earn the rewards. They offer a lot of different gift cards, as you can see here. You can choose any one you like. Next on our list is a browser extension that pays you. It is called Surf. All you need to do is add this extension to your Chrome browser that you use on a daily basis, and that's all. You don't have to do anything else to make money. Just browse the internet as you do, and you will be rewarded with surf points. This extension will also pop out to show any potential discounts and offer codes for the website you are on. For example, while shopping from your favorite brands. It will search the internet for any possible discount coupons, and you will end up saving money. Don't forget, money saved is money earned. The last app on our list is Savvy Connect. It uses safe, cutting-edge technology to collect data as you surf the web. In exchange for sharing this data, they'll pay you. You can add it to your browser on your PC, or even install their app available for Android and iOS. There are also opportunities to earn more by filling out surveys and referring friends. Any app, website, game, or web browser extension shared with you here today will not help you make money as your job does, but it is still some extra money on the side, right? At least you can get a free cup of coffee every day. Before we end it here, I would like to share with you all that our giveaway of $1,500 is finally over. I imagined that it would be easy and many of you might be participating. But as of 30th June, only one person was able to find the hidden Easter egg, and they will be rewarded with the prize money of $1,500. The Easter egg was the word sushi, written in Morse code in one of our videos. The link of the video will be given in description so you can check it out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.